We have Torato with the leather right now and able to get that scoop. Atienza nagmamadali, nilipat pa sa kaliwa.
By himself.
8-5 now. Onyegiri, that time Telices pulling the trigger. It's a bit off. De La Mucho ahead of the pack. Finishes with his left. Short on the layup was Atienza. Garcia attacking the middle and finishes. A little over a minute gone by. Baluyot speeding through the lane. Look at that finish. Shot clock is down to 5. Ponce will fire and knock it down.
I actually was my teammate back in college, Jaime. Kung alam mo lang.
Napako na sa 26 ang UB Brahmans. Finally though, Tivar.
Basket and getting a two-pointer para sa kanyang team.
Atienza gets the points to lead all scorers para sa MQ Supremos. As a 3-pointer from the corner. Mayat maya yung paningin natin. Excellent feed from Baluyot. Onyegiri para sa kanya. Garcia all alone with a finger roll. Setting up a 3 once more. Kaisip that time. Shot clock down to 2. Torato has to put it up. And gets a scoop over Prom. Baluyot with 7 on the shot clock. Inside, Onyegiri na naman gets a roll. 56-52.
Well, it's just such a tough cover for Tivar.
Kaisip, takbo tayo sa kabila. Baluyot with a 3-on-1. Garcia lilipad. And finishes.
MC Supremos, they addressed that free throw struggle. They already missed 10 shots from...
Attack General. Block the top by Gabieta. Brand of basketball talaga. Trying to go inside once again on Atienza. Torato asking for it. Fires a triple. And knocks it down. Onyegiri, another jumper.
Problem for UB Brahman, especially in the second half.
Torato make that back-to-back triple.
Out of 26.
Baluyot ang susubok. Answers para sa next time. Check by Garcia. Just 3 to shoot. Torato pa rin. Falling away. Gets another basket. James Torato on fire.